There's still more we have to go through. We're gonna also move on to the classic ones, but yeah, but one of them are an alarm was like dun, dun. I'm pretty sure that I might have to put the volume down on that one. And we want to get all the way to waves because that's the last one. Oopsies. Press the same one, I'll repeat. I don't know why they have this sound. This sound is a little weird. This is my favorite.
Is it a little weird? Yeah.
The opening one is a little weird because it sounds like a phone ringing. Like this one's calling. I'm watching what I'm doing on the phone, so I know what I'm doing. And just signal, like the signal powers out. And then we'll get to classic, and then we'll show the stop playing next because they'll know what that stands for. Uh-oh. I have to put low power mode on. Oh, it has the camera. Alright, here's the next one. This one is literally for my 745. Again. Yeah, he's for 745. This one's just too fast. Alright, we're at waves. Alright, let's go to classic. You know, I'm gonna put this there. We're gonna hurry through these. We're gonna hurry to. Let's hurry through this. I'm hurrying through this. Alright, we're at this one, and only 4 more left in order to do it. Alright, we're done. We're finally done. Alright, let's go to the stop playing. Oh, sorry. We already heard that one. Sorry about that. Sorry. And you'll see this one. Stop playing. You don't hear anything. Perfect. We're done with all of them. And this is the pick song. You could maybe hold on a sec. Actually go to the tone store, which is how you could pick a song to put for your alarm. That's great. And we're gonna set this one. You know what? When the alarm rings, I want it to be set to. You know what? Let's set it with crystals because the 3 a.m. alarm has already been removed. So let's go.
Mama, has mom text or anything?
No, not yet.
Are you sure there's no text?
Yeah, only Vivian clips is going on.